Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday, where we can expect snowfall on the Lesotho mountaintops as well as the northeastern high ground of the Eastern Cape. We're expecting most of the rainfall over the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga, but you'll see most of that rainfall clearing out as we head into Tuesday night. The skies have also cleared out over the northeastern part of South Africa after a very wet afternoon on Monday. We're expecting clearer and warmer conditions over the western half of the country. The SA Weather Service have issued a watch with the possibility of heavy rainfall with 50 millimetres of rainfall or more over a 24-hour period, and that affects parts of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga. You'll see the possibility of snowfall for the Lesotho mountaintops, and that also spills over into the northeastern high ground of the Eastern Cape, with widespread rainfall over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, with a 60% chance of rain in the dark shade of blue. A 40% chance of rain is forecast over the western part of the Eastern Cape, and isolated thundershowers are expected over the eastern part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Maximum temperatures will head into the mid-20s for Gauteng on Tuesday afternoon, 23 degrees for Potchefstroom, with a warm afternoon and the possibility of thundershowers for Mbombela and Phalaborwa. Cool for Bloemfontein at 20 degrees, with a cold day for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, with most highs in the teens. Only 13 for Pietermaritzburg, 12 as we head towards Mthatha. Maximum temperatures will head into the upper teens as we head towards the coast, with a cloudy and wet day in store. A moderate southerly wind is forecast for Port Elizabeth and East London, with a strong southwesterly wind gusting in Durban and Richards Bay, and we're expecting a 3-metre southerly swell along the east coast. A chilly day is in store for Graaff-Reinet, Somerset East and Beaufort West, all in the teens, with the rest of those highs in the low and middle 20s. Vredendal expecting a sunny and warm afternoon at 28. Cool weather continues as we head towards the coast with a fresh southeasterly wind for Hermanus. A moderate southeaster is forecast as we head towards Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, with a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. Cool over the southern part of the Northern Cape, with highs mainly in the upper teens. Calvinia and Presco with a mild afternoon at 23, and Uppington and Alexander Bay can expect highs in the mid-20s. A moderate southeasterly wind is forecast for Alexander Bay, with more of a southwester for Lambert's Bay and Longabon, and Table Bay can expect a moderate southerly wind with a maximum of 23 in Cape Town, with a 2-metre southwesterly swell along the west coast. On Wednesday, we're expecting a bit of rain to remain in the forecast along the east coast, but with a drier and warmer day across South Africa. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Tuesday.